they practically do not accept Krishna, even the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And they dare to speak on Bhagavad Gita. Just see the fun. He does not accept Bhagavad Gita as it is, and he wants to comment and give his tika. So, you will never derive any benefit. Therefore here it is said, Satang Prasanga. You should hear Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam from the devotees, not from a third class man, no. Third class means those who are materialistic. So, therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has warned that Mayavadi bhashya sunile hai sarvanas. If you happen to hear from a Mayavadi, impersonalist, who does not accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, or does not know what is Krishna, if such person reads Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, he will never derive any benefit. You can go on hearing them for hundreds of years, still you will never understand what is Krishna. That is forbidden. Sanatana Goswami has forbidden that avaishnava mukhodgirna puto harikathamrita. Harikatha talks, discussion on Hari or Krishna. That is Amrita. Amrita means nectarine. If one hears, then he gets his Amrita, Amritatam. So Amritattaya kalpate. Amrita means no more birth and death. Mrita means birth and death. Mrityu. And Amrita to stop birth and death. The whole spiritual life means to stop this birth, death, old age and disease. To get Amrita. No more birth, no more death. That is the real aim of spiritual life. Of course, as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, the spiritual life begins if one is pious. If one is pious, artho artharthi jigyasu chaturvida bhajante mam. Krishna says, 4 classes of men. Chaturvida bhajante mam. Sukriti no Arjuna. Sukriti. Sukriti means pious. One who has got background, pious life, not impious life, sinful life. Such pious men, out of them, 4 classes of men, Chaturvidha, they come to devotional life, begins. Who are they? Artha, those who are distressed. Artha, artharthi, those who want some money. Jigyasu, those who are inquisitive. And Gyani. So artha, artharthi, they are in the lower grade. And Gyani and Jigyasu, they are in the higher grade. But still they are not pure devotees, because they want something. Artha, the distressed, he comes to Krishna in the temple or in the church to beg something, material profit. But that is also good, because he has come to Krishna. Krishna, I am distressed, kindly save me from this distressed condition. Krishna, I require some money. Kindly, if you give me some money, I can live very peacefully. Generally. So because they have come to Krishna, therefore they are called Sukritina. Sukritina means pious. And there are others who are Duskritina, impious, sinful. Namanga duskritina mudha prapadante naradham. they are not even human beings who do not accept the authority of the Supreme Lord. Duskritina mudha, and they have been described as mudha. Mudha means rascal, foolish. Real meaning of mudha is ass. So those who are like that, duskritina, and full of impious activities, naradhama, lowest of the mankind, maya aparitaggyana, whose knowledge has been taken away by the illusory energy, naman prapaddati, they do not accept Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God. So, in order to become a devotee of Krishna, we must associate with devotee. Satang prasangat mama vidasam. Then by reciprocation with devotees, if one comes to devotee also if one is pious. If something is there on the background, piety, then he comes to a devotee. So, by mixing with devotee, by associating with devotee, our knowledge for salvation or getting out of the clutches of this maya, repetition of birth and death, increases. Satang prasangat mama vidya sangha. The discussion on Krishna Katha is Birjavan. Just like when there is sex life, if the man is Birjavan, there will be pregnancy. Similarly, if we hear from devotee, then immediate action will be there. Some inclination. So why not become Krishna conscious? That is Birjavan. Why not become Krishna conscious? That is called sadhya. Sadhya bhakti ranukramishyati. Tadjushana asu apavarkavartmani sadhya. This is called sadhya. If by hearing from the devotees or in the association of devotees, one is inclined, now why not become Krishna conscious? That is very nice. Sukritina, immediately the effect of pious activities. Sadhu sadhya, that is the beginning of spiritual life.